It's April 3rd, 2020, 11 o'clock in the morning, and I'm getting ready to use my solar hot dog cooker that nobody believes is going to work. So I'm going to be using that thing. I'm going to set up a thermometer so that I can measure the internal temperature. Right now it's only about 48 degrees out here, and it's cold. Addison's going to help me. Right, Addison? I'm going to get some things set up, and I'll explain how I put the hot dogs in the cooker. Okay, but before I set this up, I'm going to show you how this works. There's a concave mirror inside of this, and it's going to redirect the sun's rays onto this black bar that's going to hold my hot dogs. And I can adjust that so that the light shines directly onto that black bar. Uh-oh. I think it cooked too much. Oh, jam it in there. This is going to go inside the hot dog. Okay, I just put in the hot dog and I stuck the temperature probe inside the middle of the hot dog. So you can see that it's about 52 degrees on the inside of that hot dog. We're gonna see how long this takes. It's 70, 72. Starting to go fast now. Okay, it's been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and the internal temperature is 100. We just looked up and found out that we should probably do the internal temperature of about 140. So if we bring it down to 140, I think you can eat hot dogs at 40 degrees, but 140 probably is a better temperature. And I haven't really had to adjust this much, but I'm gonna tilt it back a little bit more. Going on about 6 minutes. Can you smell it, Addison? Can you smell that hot dog? Yeah. Already over 110 degrees. I'm guessing maybe another 3-4 minutes, maybe 5, I don't know. He's not stealing my hot dogs, are you?
Oh boy, I didn't know what you were doing. But now that you mention it.
I'll have a couple ready by tomorrow. Okay, go ahead. Gonna be 140 here soon. Wonder what that means. I'm gonna rotate these. There. Well, it says it's 140 degrees. I think it's time to try these hot dogs. That's about 8.5 minutes of cooking. Hot dogs provided by Tom and Eleanor Klebik. Buns as well.
Chili provided by Jane McKinney.
Spicy chili. All right, this could be our problem here. Oh.
Could have been a problem if it flew off.
Here we go. They're hot. All right, let's get this. We should get some more hot dogs cooking. Let's go see how this tastes. I hope this is spicy, Jane. Oh, looks good.
I feel like you're gonna need a fork.
Oh no. Here's the spicy mustard. See how the first solar hot dog tastes.
I hope we have enough toilet paper.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's good too. Wow, that's hot. That chili's hot too. Did she tell you it was that hot?
No.
It's spicy. I cheated and I warmed up the chili in the microwave. That's good. Some ketchup on yours?
Yes, please.
There you go. It's hot. See?
That's the best solar cooked hot dog I've ever had.